Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we'll show you how to update a Disco file. Disco files are a new type of file associated with the new Discovery 2.0, which was released in Pandora FMS version 7.73. These Disco files are made up by a plugin that will execute different tasks in a native file where a series of parameters and configurations will be defined for this plugin. Disco files allow you to have a fully modular Discovery server, unlike what happened with the old Discovery, whose tasks are now in legacy version and will be replaced by these new files in the near future. If you go to the Management section of your console and click Discovery, you will see a section called Manage Discovery Packages. Here you will see all the extensions that you currently have installed in your environment, their version, and a couple of actions such as deleting or reapplying in case there is an error. Updating a Disco file is a very simple process. First, download a package you want to update, then click on Select File, choose your Disco package, and click on Add Disk. It will ask for confirmation to override the current package, so you must accept and you will be done. Check that you have the new version, in this case 1.1 of MySQL extension, and the process will be finished. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you liked the video, smile, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Any suggestions, questions, or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.